Hello students, welcome back to the most awaited economics class, and I hope that past few days you have been attending the classes in the playlist option, and I also hope that apart from maintaining the notes of this subject, you have also been revising the daily concepts, the earlier concepts. Because let me tell you, if a person wants to be a successful person or an intellectual and intelligent person, then it requires lot of hard work and efforts. If you just watch the class, if you just attend the class and maintain the notes after this work is completed, if you close down your book and off your phone, it doesn't mean that you got any knowledge from today's class. It's just that you have been imitating. You're just copying and pasting the matter in your books. That is not useful for you. Apart from maintaining the notes, apart from writing the concept in your books, whatever is there on the board, you also need to by heart the concepts daily, by heart the side headings daily. Practice it in a separate book. You need to by heart it, write it without seeing. This is called the actual practicing work. We have also gone through a proverb that practice makes a man perfect. So without practicing the daily concepts, earlier concepts of economics, how can I say that my students are going to score 99? I cannot give any guarantee until and unless if I ask any question, you must be answering my question within fraction of seconds. If I ask you what are the consequences of unemployment, what are the poverty alleviation measures, what are the various concepts of food security, what are the points, what are the characteristics of developing economies, you must be very spontaneous to answer all my questions. Just ask yourself a question that are you perfect in the past 2 months classes of economics? The answer is no. You'll say that it's 50-50 or I need to revise. When you're saying 50-50 or you need to revise, that means you are not perfect in the concept. If you want to be 100%, then write all these side headings in a notebook or a pen paper. Early morning, just try to revise all the points and side headings at least. For this subject, at least take out 1 hour or 2 hours apart from copying the notes. After attending the class, I need extra 2 hours from you. You need to learn the concepts and write it without seeing in a particular separate notebook and try to answer it without seeing to yourself. Alright, then I'll be happy with all my CEC and MEC students. Fine, let us come back to the main concept which we are going to discuss today is from unit number 4, that is planning and Niti Aayog. Today we are going to start a new topic, a new unit, that is unit number 4, planning and Niti Aayog. Let us see today's topic. Niti Aayog. The full form of Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India. The full form of Niti is National Institution for Transforming India. Now let us see what is the introduction of this topic. Niti Aayog was first established by the Government of India. Whenever I write the short form on the board, GOI, that means it is Government of India. So Niti Aayog has been established by Government of India as a replacement. As what? As a replacement of Planning Commission. What is it saying here is, previously in our country, we were having a commission called as Planning Commission. Okay, this commission is responsible for making various plans and acts before they get into the implementation for the nation. So earlier in our country we were having planning commission, but now what the government have did, the government have replaced planning commission. I'm not saying removed. Meaning of remove is completely removing something. Here I'm saying the term replaced means in place of this government have established something else. For example, if a person is feeling thirsty, he or she can quench his thirst by either drinking water or a particular juice. So juice is acting as a replacement of water. For example, if you are attending the class offline by sitting in front of me in a classroom, and if you request me, ma'am, I need a glass of orange juice. Okay, can I satisfy your want at this point of time? No, because right now we are in college and I don't have any means to go outside, buy a juice for you and serve you. So what I will tell you is, in the replacement of a mango juice or an orange juice, right now you just have a glass of water. So glass of water is a replacement to the juice which you have asked me. In the same way, in the replacement of planning commission, the government have established what? Niti Aayog. As a replacement of planning commission, the government have established Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India. Transforming means what? Changing India from a developing country to a developed country. To change India from a developing economy to a developed economy, the government have replaced the planning commission and have established Niti Aayog. Now what Niti Aayog does? It provides strategical inputs for the development process. Means it provides various strategies, various plans which need to be implemented for the development process. If I want a country to be developed, behind that there will be one commission or an institution, that is Niti Aayog. So let us just recall the definition once again. Niti Aayog has been established by the whom? By the Government of India. Niti Aayog has been established by the Government of India as a replacement of Planning Commission. It provides strategical inputs to the development process. So we are done with the introduction process. Now the second part of this topic is objectives of Niti Aayog. What are the objectives of Niti Aayog? Like when I explain you, you might understand the concept easily, but at the time of by hearting the concept, you need to remember the starting points. For example, to change, to focus, to ensure, to incorporate, to leverage, to promote. You'll understand everything and you remember everything of this point, but you forget the starting point of this answer. You forget the startup. So what you need to do? Focus, stress and do hard work on the starting points, because until and unless you forget the starting point, you cannot continue the answer. So let us see what is the first objective of Niti Aayog. To change the role of government, from provider of the first and last resort to that of the enabler. To change the role of government from provider of the first and last resort to that of the enabler. Even after repeating the point for 2 times, you had not understood what is the meaning. Let me give you an example. If you are facing a particular problem in your college, like someone said you something which have hurt you a lot, and you have come up with the problem to your junior lecturer, all right, and he or she was not able to to give a proper solution to the problem. Then next you will go to the senior lecturer. Then even though after going to a senior lecturer your problem was unsolved, then the third step you will go to the in charge. Even if your problem is not solved, you will go to the vice in charge. Even if your problem is not solved over there also, you will go to the vice principal. And even after consulting the vice principal, your problem is not solved, you will go to the final main headmaster, that is the principal. And now your problem will be solved over there. So before going to the principal, before approaching your principal, you have approached to many levels, from the junior lecturer to the vice principal. Alright, so what Niti Aayog is saying that we must change the role of government from the junior lecturer to directly the principal. I mean to say here, from the subordinate level to directly superior level. Okay, what is the last resort? Last resort means the final chance or option which you were having in front of you was to approach your principal or the director. Alright, that is your final step. That is your last resort. Alright, in the same way, to change the role of government from provider of the first and last resort to that of the enabler. You need to change the role of government from the first provider to the last resort. Enabler means before a plan comes into existence, that must be implemented. Implementation of the plan is nothing but enabling an activity. Then coming to second point, to focus on a mix of agricultural production with food security at the base to benefit the farmers. We have already discussed what is food security. Okay. Unavailability of food might be because of scarcity, and which leads to hunger deaths, was nothing but food security. We have also discussed various points under that. Public distribution centers, PDS, midday meals, right, MDM. These all concepts were there in food security. So which category people are not getting proper food? Rich or poor class? Obviously the poor class. So what Niti Aayog is suggesting is to focus on a mix of agricultural production. We need to focus on our agricultural production in such a way that the food security must be at the base. For example, there is a 100-floor building. There is a 100-floor building, and imagine that the ground floor, that the base of that building is not strong. So if I just construct one more floor on that 100-floor building, then all the 100 floors will collapse. Why? Because the base was not strong. If the base is strong, how many floors you want you can construct. But if the base is weak, then you cannot benefit someone. In the same way, food security must be at the base. Why? Because it need to be benefited to the farmers. First, in the cycle, we have farmers, then we have middle class, rich class, etc. So first you need to focus on whom? At the farmers, by benefiting them with food security as the base. First point, to change the role of government from provider of the first and last resort to that of the enabler. To focus on a mix of agricultural production with food security at the base to benefit the farmers. Then coming to third point, to ensure that India is an active player in the deliberations of global issues. Deliberation means a long and careful discussion. Meaning of deliberation is long and careful discussion. Global issues in the sense worldwide. Whatever the issues are going on worldwide, in those discussions, in that careful discussion, long discussions and important discussions, India must be an active player, active participant in the deliberations of global issues, to change, to focus, to ensure. Keep these points in mind. To change the role of government, to focus on mix of agricultural production, to ensure that India is an active player. Then coming to fourth one, to incorporate NRI community in the process of development. What do you mean by NRI community? So NRI means non-residents of India. That means people have been born here but they are working and settling in some other country. For example, if my birthplace is India and if I work in USA and settle over there, call my family over there, and I am earning a lot of money, that means I am even though I am a part of India, I am developing the country called as USA. So which country's development is going on? USA's. Even though I am not the citizen of USA, I am benefiting that so and so third country. That shouldn't be there. What Niti Aayog is saying in this concept is to incorporate means to include NRI community in the process of development. When we are the citizens of this country, then we must benefit our motherland, not some third countries. Then coming to fifth point, to leverage scientific, intellectual and entrepreneurial human capital. I have already said the meaning of human capital and human resource. The skill which a human possesses is called as human resource. Human capital, the amount of capital which you spend on health and education is known as human capital. So we need to support. Leverage means what? Support. We need to support scientific, intellectual and entrepreneurial human capital. Means we must focus on developing the health sectors as well as the education sectors, as well as improving the skills of a person, because when we have good intellectual capacity, good knowledge, then you will get an employment of higher designation and you can earn a lot of money, a lot of means, so that you can have a good standard of living. So is it nothing but a development? So Niti Aayog focuses on what? Development process. Coming to the sixth point, to promote good governance through the use of technology. Like we have Me Seva, right? What is the meaning of Me Seva? At your service. The government services are provided at your doorstep. So this is what? A service of the government. Through what? Through the use of technology. Not only Me Seva, there are many other organizations which are formed by the government for the development of our country through the use of modern technology. So government is keeping an eye on everything, is keeping an eye on all the plans which he have which the government have made, whether they are implemented or not, whether people are following those instructions or not. Am I right or not? So these are all these 6 various points which are nothing but the objectives of Niti Aayog. In all the points you can observe that the Niti Aayog is indulged in the development process, means it is promoting the development of a country. How? By changing the role of government, by focusing on mix of agricultural production, by benefiting the farmers, to ensure that India is an active player in the deliberations of global issues. Here also India is getting developed. To incorporate NRI community in the process of development. Here also we want the fruits of development to be achieved by our own motherland, that is India, to support human capital, to promote governance through the use of technology. So this topic is not yet completed. We have just discussed the introduction and the objectives of Niti Aayog. In our next class, we are going to discuss what is the organization structure of Niti Aayog and what are the functions performed by Niti Aayog. Objectives and introduction is done. What is left? Organization and functions of Niti Aayog, which probably will be discussing in the next class. Till that, you need to by heart these points, all the points, apart from writing in your notes. Learn the answer, by heart it, write it without seeing in a separate book. Alright? So see you in the next classes with some more and new interesting topics. Till that, stay healthy, stay home and never stop practicing.